Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create courses with AI. For this we will use CurriculumKit plugin by WPKits. Let's go to the website. Here you can see here we have WPKits CurriculumKit plugin. So and here is its AI assistant in WPKits. So here we will go and let's delete it first and start new conversation. And here I will give the prompt. This is a very well organized prompt. Here you can see here we have week 1, like it's like a section. Then this is a lesson 1 which have these topics, and then lesson 2 that have these two topics, lesson 3 then week 2 lesson 1 3 topics. So this is a well organized structured course prompt. So but I'll go with a randomly created prompt, like for a non-technical person, unstructured course table of content. We will go for that later. Let's do it. It will take some time because I created a long course, so it will take a little bit time to create these things in CurriculumKit, to build this course in CurriculumKit. Just a few seconds, and here you can see this course is created. So let's verify it from the, we will go to the CurriculumKit, and in the courses WordPress AI Business Builder 2026. Let's see what is its name. WordPress AI Builder 2026 website automation and online sales. So let's check it. It's actually created inside the course builder. So here is the course builder. Here you can see this is section 1, and these are 2 lessons, and then we have some topics. In the same way, again this is a section, and here you can see these are topics. So here you can see the course is actually created in the course builder, and let's see how it looks on the front end. Here you can see this is the course name, and then these are some other options, and here is the sections, and then these are the courses. You can see that. Back to course, and let's see topics. Here are the topics. You can see that the course is created successfully. So let's go and give an unstructured prompt. Here you can see I write this with ChatGPT, using ChatGPT. No, I think it mix up the settings as well. Yes, this is the prompt. Let's copy it. It has 4 sections, 3 lessons, and 2 topics in each lesson. So let's create it. Let's go back to the WPKits AI Assistant, and let's add this in this same conversation, and it will take a little bit time to complete because this prompt is unstructured. That's why it could take more time, but it's completed sooner. So let's go to the again CurriculumKit courses to verify that course is actually created in the course builder. So here you can see the course, and let's edit it. And in the course builder, here you can see the course is actually created. You can see section 1, and then these are the lessons, section 2, then lessons, and inside the lessons there are topics. You can see them, and even you can from the pencil icon, you can, if you want to update, you can update as well. Yes, the course is created. Let's see it on the front end. Let me delete the previous one that I opened. So here you can see the course is actually created. Here you can see the section 1 and then lessons, topics. Here you can see it was absolutely unstructured prompt, just like a description, just like I am explaining you. I just explained in the same way, and this prompt was created, and it successfully read between the lines and created a structured course for us. So this is very efficient. So let's do some settings with this course, and I just created this prompt for the settings, and this prompt also have some noise and extra explanations in human words, like natural language. So let's go back to the AI assistant, and I will just paste this prompt here so he can do the setup. Let's see, it will take a little bit time. So it is completed. So let's go and check it again. Let's go to the CurriculumKit courses, and it was the course. Let's edit it again. Let's go to the course settings. We are on course settings tab. Here you can see free and required registration. Let me show you. Oh, I should open the AI assistant as well, so we can verify it. Here you can see free. If who can enroll, he can access the course. Then content visibility, course outline hidden. Just let me show you. This is free, required registration. Just you need to register for free, and you can access the course. So these are some options. Like the open means that you don't need the registration. Whoever the general visitor come on the website can access the course. So this is for this you require, this is free course, but you require registration. And then we have course propagation is free from order. Like here you can see this is the course. Let's go here, and I will break the sequence. I will directly jump to this course, and here you can see I can access this course. This course is right now, it don't have content, but I can access the course. So if we will make it linear, in that case we cannot access the course. We need to follow this sequence, like first lesson first and then topics. So we need to follow that sequence in that case. Okay, here the completion points 30. On completion you will get points. Let me show you. Yes, points awarded 30 on completion. After that we have 15 days expiry date, 20 seats, and this is the date and time when it will start and when it will end. Let's see, here you can see when start and when it will be end the course, and 20 students capacity, automatic expire after 15 days. So all these settings are done properly, and yes, here you can see, here we have milestone, progress bar, milestones. So everything is done properly, settings are done. Yes, this thing is important. Visibility, content visibility, enrolled only, hidden outlines. So let me show you by opening this in incognito window. Here you can see I'm not enrolled, that's why table of content is hidden because I'm not logged in. But when the user is login, like here you can see, here we are login and I'm admin as well, that's why I can access the course. Here you can see and the code table of content is not hidden for me. So let's go and create a membership in AccessKit and restrict this content with that membership. Okay, so let's go back to the WPKits AI, and this time I'll ask you create a membership. We can make it yearly and it will be $60 per year, 15 days trial for $10. Okay, and renewal first day of year, or let's make it month. So on the renewal it will be first day of the month. Like someone register on 15, 10 or 20 is second date, but it will be renewal on first of the month. Okay, so yes, and restrict the course. Let's name the course. Where is the course name? Here is the course name. Restrict the course. Restrict this course with yearly membership. I think yearly membership is already available, so yearly 2, we will name it yearly 2 membership to make little bit difference with the existing memberships. So let's move. Let's see how it will be done. It will take a few seconds, but here you can see the rule no host found. But the course is restricted. Updated the course. Now let me show you. Let's go to the where is AccessKit. Here you can see AccessKit. Let's go to the membership. Here to membership, $60 per year, $10 15 days trial. Okay, so this is created. Let's go to the CurriculumKit course and let's open it. Let's move to the course tab. Here you can see this is restricted with the yearly membership, and let's check it. Let's open it in incognito window. Here you can see members only content, so this is restricted now. But there is another option that we have. We will just open it. We'll go to the visibility, and instead of hidden we will make it open, and now we will open it in incognito window. And in incognito window now you can see the this course is now, table of content is open and it is locked. Here you can see this is a lock sign. The courses are locked now. You can see the table of content, but everything is locked. So this is, and here we have another option as well. Let's go to the course and in the course builder, let's go this lesson settings, and in the lessons we have the option this sample lesson. So allow unenrolled visitor to view. So let's save it and go back to incognito window. Let's save it. So here you can see now we are here. Let's refresh the page, and here you can see this example lesson. So this lesson is open now. You can access this lesson content. Right now it don't have any content, but still you can see that we can access it, but you cannot access its topics and other table of content. You can see we cannot, they are not clickable, they are all grayed. So I hope you will like this course, this video. Thank you.